If you're currently using a Google Sheet, number one, I totally understand why there's a hesitancy to start using a CRM. I get it. But if you're currently using a Google Sheet to manage your leads, I want you to think about the Google Sheet as being the manual, like post-it note system. Like, I know that you're comfortable with that, and that it's worked for you up until this point, and I get that. But as Cody's lead program works for you and builds your business,
I'm
you're going
working
to start to get too many
on
things.
and just
And the worst thing that you can do in your business as an insurance agent is not ask for the sale when they're ready to buy.
this is
I've
me.
seen too many people lose deals because they forget to follow up. And they don't forget because they're not a super smart agent. They don't forget because they're not hustling. They didn't forget because they don't have the work ethic. They forgot because there's just too much input happening. There's too many people reaching out, too many things to follow up on. And so things slip through the cracks. Agent CRM stops things from slipping through the cracks because we have the pipeline set up and ready to go for you. We have this long text and email nurturing campaign set up for you. We've got your back. If you're using an Excel sheet, there's probably a couple deals in there that you haven't yet closed that are ready to close. You just haven't tapped them on the shoulder yet, and they're ready to go. So I just want to share that with you again. No judgment. You're using a Google Sheet. I get it. I didn't use the CRM until I'd been in business for about 7 years. I'm going on 23 now, so I've been using it for a long time. But if I could go back in time, I would tell my younger self who was just starting out, I would say, get a CRM, start putting every single person you know inside of that CRM so you can keep track of it and look back at it later. So anyway, again, the link to sign up to join Agent CRM, you guys get a 14-day free trial. So if you're like, I don't know if this is a fit for me, like there's no like, you're not committing to anything. Just sign up for the free trial, play around with it, meet my support team, jump on these Zoom calls, right? Pop into that Facebook group and say hi, right? Tag me, and then just see if it's a fit. And if it's not a fit, don't worry. We actually email you on day 13. You have a 14-day free trial. On day 13, we email you and go, hey, today's your last day. If you want to stay with us, amazing. If you don't, reply. We'll cancel your account. We won't charge you anything. So we got your back. This isn't a set it and forget it thing. We only want you to stay with Agent CRM if it's making you money. So come and join us.